Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. This is usually like my go-to kind of glam makeup look like during the day if I'm going to go run errands or if I have somewhere to be but I don't want to wear like a full face of makeup. This is usually what I like to do. I'm not using any foundation in this video. I've just not really been wanting to wear foundation because it's just like so hot, and especially because we have to be wearing masks right now. You're just gonna feel like you have too much going on your face. I don't know about you guys, but where I live, I either wear this like basic mascara and that's it, or nothing at all because it is so hot outside. In Las Vegas, it is blistering hot. If you guys would like to see this quick, easy, maybe like a 15-minute makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm taking is this glow screen from SuperGoop. I just recently got this from Sephora and this is my first time trying it, and so far I really like it. It gives a nice glow to your skin. So I always make sure I apply sunscreen before I go out, especially during this hot time. You want to make sure you're protecting your skin. So now I'm going to take my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral, and I'm just going to apply this to the areas where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. So like on my acne scars, around my nose, and then underneath the eyes. And then I'm going to pick up my fan and I'm just going to kind of dry this up so that I get a little bit more coverage in that area, and then just blend that out with a brush. I got this brush in a kit from Shop Miss A, and you guys, I think it was like $10 for like 8 brushes or something like that, and they are such good brushes, so I'm obsessed. I also got a few sponges that I'll be using from them, and your girl's hooked now. So now I'm just going to blend that out, and I'm patting so that I don't move any of the coverage. So I just applied a little bit more on my forehead, and then I'm taking the Nars concealer in the shade Light and just applying just a little bit underneath my eyes to give more of a highlighted look. And then I'm taking a Shop Miss A sponge and just blending that out. For the forehead, I'm going to use the same exact brush just so I can get around my eyebrows since I already did those. And then I'm taking the Milk Makeup bronzer stick. This is in the shade Baked. I love using this, especially when I'm wearing minimal makeup, because the contour stick gives a little bit more coverage in that area since it's a cream. So it's almost like you are kind of wearing a foundation, but I just love it. It gives such an airbrush look, especially blending it out with this brush from e.l.f. I'm just obsessed with it. So it's super fast and easy, so perfect for like every day. And then I'm taking the highlighter from Cover FX. This is the liquid highlighter, and I work in sections with this one because it does dry super fast. So I'll just take it on the back of my hand and then put a little bit on my cheekbones and then just blend it out with the same sponge. To set all that, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever powder foundation. This is in the shade R210. It's the lightest one, and I'm just going to use that on a Shop Miss A microfiber sponge. I use this dry, and I apply this underneath my eyes to set everything, and I swear to God, you guys, it makes your under eyes and your entire face look airbrushed. Now, this powder is one of my all-time favorite foundation powders because of its like technology to like blur the skin, so it looks so beautiful. It almost looks like you have like, you know, full coverage foundation on because of how blurring it is, but yet it's super lightweight and it just helps everything blend together. And then I'm going to use the Nars Laguna bronzer, and I'm just applying that right over top of where I applied the Baked bronzer. So I'm just going to set that area. And yeah, I'm just using a big fluffy brush. For blush, I'm going to use Bella Amore from Milani. This is a really nice kind of like berry tone blush. I'm applying that to my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and then I put a little bit on the forehead because it makes you look like flushed, like you have like a natural like flushed look. And then I'll set that with the Morphe setting spray just to help lock everything together. Then for highlighter, I'm using my favorite cookie highlighter, and I'm just going to apply that over top of that liquid highlighter to set that one down, and I'm just applying that in the normal spots around my face. So for the eyes, I like to keep it super simple. I'm just using the Nars Laguna bronzer on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that throughout my crease. I don't like to wear a lot of like eye makeup throughout the day because it's just too much. So now I'm going to take the cookie highlighter and apply that to my inner corner as well as my brow bone, just to help everything kind of blend easier and it looks more natural. And then for lashes, I am not going to be applying false lashes because I cannot even be bothered doing that right now. So I'm just going to curl my lashes, and then I'm taking the Marc Jacobs primer. I was never someone who used like mascara primers. I just thought it was like a gimmick or something. I never really bought them, but this one I'm obsessed with, and it goes perfect with this mascara from Lancome. This is the Monsieur Big Lash Mascara, and you guys, this is my all-time favorite mascara right now. It makes your lashes so thick, so big, so separated. It's just my favorite. And then for my waterline, I'm going to apply this Ultimate LA Girl eyeliner. It's like a nude color. It's really going to make you look fresh and awake. And then I'm applying some Rimmel Lash Accelerator to my lower lashes. I'm going to take this Lawless Seal the Deal translucent powder. This does give a nice like blur to the skin, and I'm just applying that pretty much everywhere because it's just going to help kind of lock everything in. And then for a lip liner, I'm applying this Milani 04 lip liner. It's a really nice natural kind of like your lip color but better shade, because I don't like to use something that's like too dark or too nude. I want it to have like kind of like a berry undertone to it so it looks more natural. So I'm just going to apply that, and then I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, and this is just going to go right over top. I really focus this like in the center of my lips just to give kind of like a nice gloss. And then I'm re-curling my lashes. Be very careful when you do this. Make sure your mascara is completely dry before you do that. And then I'm taking the Smashbox setting spray. I just got this from Sephora too, and so far it's really, really nice. So here's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you'd like to see in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!